Patrick and welcome back to my channel. Today I look a little bit crazy because, as you can see with the title, I'm doing a Get Ready With Me for the Lion King premiere tonight. I'm so excited to see the movie. I am in my get ready mode. So you see I am using my Glam Glow mask. I also got a tan by Dolce Glow. I will talk a little bit about this beautiful tan later. She is so amazing. I am shook because today's the premiere and I think this box has my dress. When I tell you I was so stressed out that my dress did not get sent out. I had it custom made. I bought this fabric downtown LA. I got my turban made by Angel. And I was like, if my dress does not come in, I'm gonna be so sad because the fabric is so beautiful. It reminds me of the Lion King. So let's just open this box. Oh, and by the way, I'm on FaceTime with my friend Tony. Hey. But my friend Tony is a celebrity makeup artist, okay? So follow her too. She ain't all that, but she all that too. So. Okay, let's see if this is my dress. And I'm gonna show Tony too and get her reaction. Oh my. Isn't this fabric everything? Yes. Alright guys, I look a mess, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys in the mirror. Okay, first reactions. Oh my god, it's cute. I love it.
Come on, leg. Okay. That's what you gonna do on the red carpet?
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's cute.
Is it Lion King?
It definitely looks like Lion King. We got a winner! Ooh, your tan looks good with this. Oh my gosh.
It's perfect, right?
Yeah.
Guys, you have no idea how relieved I am that this dress fits and it came in time. And I just found out from my assistant that the theme is a Savannah chic for the red carpet. I would totally wear this to the Savannah. Okay, because you know I'm what? Extra. Oh my god, behind me, I know you guys are probably so nosy and want to see what was on this wall. These are all my pictures with like my besties like Kris Jenner, Mario, Kim. Oh my gosh, so crazy. Oh my gosh, look, me and Nikki. Oh my gosh, me and Gabriel. Chris and Dominique. Oh my god, look at Peter and Yoli. This is when we first met. Yoli, years ago. And ooh, oh look, this is my friend Tony. She wasn't even living here yet. This was at my 1 million party. So crazy. Ooh, me and Raven Symone. Alright guys, so it's my friend CJ. She's over here. Miss Pageant Girl's helping me because she does pageants. I think we like the belt. And we're helping pick shoes. Do we like the blue? I don't know. I think the gold.
Gold was definitely
Let me
better.
try the gold. We just tried the gold before we were rolling. That's why you hear me out of breath. Yeah, she's cute.
Yeah, gold for sure. I think orange would be doing a lot.
Yeah, I think it's cute. All right. We can't forget the turban now. Oh, that looks cute like that. I look so crazy with my face mask. Okay, I look like one of the hyenas. I like it. I think I like it like this. Just like that, with a little bit of orange in the front.
I know Fabian was like, we don't know how to turn it yet, but I
Yeah,
think
well,
this
Angel said it's interchangeable,
Yeah.
so.
But this going like boom.
Yeah, it's really cool. The process. Guys, this was a belt that we turned into a necklace. Out of all of them, the skinny white girl done poked a hole. We could not do it. But clearly, she works out more than all of us. But look, she followed us like it's a nail. Oh my, the things we go through for the red carpet, y'all. I'm so big that my belt is a necklace.
We're printing a dainty chain on it though.
These heavy duty industrial chains on there. Lord child, I hope this necklace looks cute. I better get compliments today.
On the red carpet.
And I'm still wearing this face mask. Alright, we are in the studio. I came from my place to here and you can see I got some Thai food, my lashes I put in a hat, my razor to shave my arms, and some makeup wipes for the studio, and some Thai teas. So that's what we gonna do, and you can see we're in the studio. If you guys haven't seen a studio tour, definitely check it out. Who do we have over here? Miss Zachary Edward. What are you doing? You look like a benefit brow artist right now, honestly.
I am the benefit brow artist, honey. She is.
What about you, Peter?
We're drinking a protein shake.
What the hell? And then this is our setup for today. Normally I would film here in the studio, but I think it's real cute to film in here. But yeah, this is our setup, and they know to put a towel right here, so thank you very much. And because I'm tan, I don't know what foundation to use, so I'm gonna have Zachary help me pick a foundation because she a little dorcas today. All right, you guys, so Peter wanted to show me his outfit really quick. This is more like a vlog than a get ready with me, but take it for what it is. All right, Peter, come down. Okay, Charlie Brown. Da 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 da.
Is it like the pop of yellow?
Oh, wow.
This was styled by Zachary Edward. I did that. My first celebrity client, y'all know, so if you need
Celebrity? Is there any details? I like how the tag is still on it.
Oh yeah, I mean, all the tags are on, but...
You're not wearing the Apple Watch.
Why not?
Ooh, that tan line though.
We have another watch, let me find it in my case, 1 second. We'll go get it.
She's a stylist stash. AKA PatrickStarrr's closet. Very nice, very nice. Well, yeah, we're gonna look good together. Finally, the fun part, makeup. We are here. Of course, we skedaddle and waste some time, but without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the primer. Do you like seeing the makeup or do you like seeing it up close? Let me know. If it was me, I'd like to see what I'm picking, and I think it gives it a little bit of more personal feel, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with, ooh, let me take these off. These are the Patrology Flash eye patches. I'm going to run this on my face. All right, so the reason why I'm so zoomed out is because I got a tan. Let me tell you about this tan. I get my tan by the brand Dolce Glow, and my celebrity spray tan artist Isabel is the bomb. She tans Chloe, she tans Kim Kardashian, West. She does the most incredible, smooth tan color, and she really, really educates me whenever I get tan because I literally know nothing being a plus size guy myself, so I love my tan. You can see my face is a little bit lighter, so I've done this a couple times, so I'm gonna take my contour color, the Krylon TV Paint Stick V16, and apply it first. I had a little bit too much caffeine this morning, so I'm gonna go backwards in color correct. All right, guys, I just did my brows, and I concealed under the brows with Studio Finish. So I'm gonna take this paint pot called Laying Low. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. All right, guys, this is my tried and true to last me all summer double wear. If you're a full coverage girl, definitely try this out. Do y'all like this bald head? Oh my gosh, speaking of bald head, can you believe that Will Smith reposted my genie tutorial on his Instagram? And also, shortly after, Christina Aguilera quote tweeted me with her own gif, How Fierce, of me lip singing as a genie to Genie in the Bottle, which debuted 20 years ago. When I tell you I was listening to that song when I was 14 years old, oh my goodness. When I tell you I had so many responses from that genie look, it was one of my favorites also. It was literally me and Peter, my friend Fabian and Zach, and my editor Des. We really just put our heads together and we thought we was producing some Disney original movie. Oh my goodness. Guys, I love doing my vlogs. One of my favorite vlogs that I've done, I love my benefit vlog that I just did. If you guys haven't seen it, definitely check it out. There was a ghost in our room, in our hotel. It was scary, haunted. And then my other vlog that I loved was my day in the life, where I did 3 events in one day, and I just love taking you guys with me because I just want to share my life with you, and it's just so fun. I think I want to do more vlogs. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments below, and I will literally screenshot your idea and shout it out in my next video that's inspired by whoever's in the comments, because I think vlogging is just where it's at. Like, it's been so long. I remember I used to vlog all the time. My trip to Turks and Caicos, my trip to Hawaii with Tart, my trip to Hawaii with Benefit, my parents vlog with my mom. It's just like special moments that I can look back on, and yeah, I think I need to do more vlogs. All right, guys, so I'm being forced to move over because someone else wants to be in the get ready with me. Go ahead. Peter.
This is your idea.
It's not my idea. I thought it would be kind of funny to have Peter in the video to get ready with me because, you know, we both go to these events and, you know, Peter be getting glam too, so why not show his makeup routine if you guys are a boy, and we have his makeup artist here, Zachary Edward.
And stylist. I gotta get my plug.
Calm down.
At Zachary Edward. On YouTube and Instagram.
Calm down. Guys, if you don't know Zachary Edward, he was in my Genie video helping me blend this big old body of mine. And that red hoodie had been on for weeks on end. And today's the first time he wore a new pair of clothes. So a round of applause, insert sound effect for Zachary Edward. Alright guys, so to set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ben Nye light. And I'm going to go ahead and set my face.
Guys, I just posted a mukbang. You guys should watch it.
All this plug! Plug it in, plug it in. Peter's a lifestyle vlogger now. You guys should subscribe to his channel. He's doing hauls, mukbangs. Peter's been begging me to do drag makeup on him. So
Oh no.
if you guys want to see that in the comments, let me know down. Peter's like, can you please do drag makeup?
I've never said that in my
He
life.
saw my Rainbow Drag series and he was like,
Girl, I film all of them.
yeah, and then you were so inspired. You were like, please. All right, in honor of the Lion King premiere, I'm going to take my Lion King palette and just do me a neutral eye because I got no time to be bothered. I'm gonna go ahead and take Mufasa. Oh, I'm wearing Simba and Mufasa on my eye. But she looking like Rafiki. Zazu. You one of the hyenas, matter of fact. Do we like these lashes? I don't know.
I like them.
Look at me. Beyonce, nice meeting you. Is it effective? Oh my gosh, you guys, we finally made it. Look at the dress. Not bad for downtown LA. With the fabric, the belt, the necklace came through and little bangle. I wasn't sure about the belt, but I like it. There's the turban. We about to put it on the car. So far, so good. Let's get in the car. Can I get a bib? Oh, wow. That face and body looks good. You could see the wax demarcations from when we got our eyebrows waxed yesterday. Those earrings would match my outfit really well.
You should get him. You want him?
I couldn't, darling.
Look, it matches, literally. Yeah.
Let go of the gown. I'm just kidding. Alright guys, so Zach is helping me with my legs because I have a gnarly scar, like 3 scars on my legs. And we're just doing this because this is the only leg that is showing. And we are taking Westwood Blvd bronze. This is so sickening. It's waterproof. I know KKW came out. That's great, but I have just fallen in love with this. I have yet to try KKW, but I'll be doing a video comparing the two very, very soon for my red carpet legs. If y'all ain't never seen it before, I'm hairy. So I can't see, so we're just getting these little scragglies. I have gotten laser hair removal, but sometimes it's just not enough. Guys, I'm giving you a look into everything that goes on when it comes to like a red carpet. Just because when someone be brushing their arms like, hey Patrick, how are you? It's not the tea when I be spiking them, you know, and scratching them. So, but yeah, Vivian's helping me, and then we're gonna apply some NARS mineral oil on the body, and then we're just gonna do highlight on the leg, powder highlight, so it doesn't stick to my dress. But I like the look of how oil looks for just that red carpet sheen. Alright guys, now it is time for the turban. I normally do my turban maybe like 10-15 minutes away. Thank God they sent us a car because my turban wouldn't have fit. This turban took us the longest to ever get done. I am so glad we got it done. We gotta run to the carpet so I don't miss my spot. I saw Kaylin Allen, it looks so cute. Here's a picture of his outfit. Sickening. Hey guys, we're about to walk on the carpet, just doing last minute touches. We're here in Halle and I'm so excited.
Anneliese and Raven.
This red carpet is so huge. It is literally where we met all the fans of The Lion King, and now is the official red carpet. And it is so amazing, and I love all the colors, and I love Disney so much, so thank you to Disney for having me.
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, cause you fill my mind. Oh, you fill my mind. We could build a
Someone is killing the vlog scene, Miss Skai Jackson. If y'all are not subscribed, subscribe to her. And can we look at this outfit?
I know, guys. Look, it shimmers in the camera and everything.
I didn't see this. Did you vlog tonight?
I did not, but I should have.
Well, she looks amazing. We're gonna snap a few pics and subscribe to her. Yes.
Love you guys.
Guys, we survived the red carpet. Look how huge it is. So this is video press. There is photography way back there. Before that was the fan pen for the movie. Look how colorful and amazing everything is. I had so much fun. We're about to go in the movie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you so much. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.
Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young.
Oh, I've never been here before. What do we have here? Wow. I've never been here. It's my first time getting photographed in front of this truck. Oh my God, I've never been here before. What do you guys have? Wow. You said another. Real slick under your breath. It's my first time trying Dole Whip. Never before.